Hello, I'm teacher Sienna, a passionate English educator from the beautiful Eastern Cape. With over 5 years of experience in teaching within the Cambridge International System, I specialize in helping my students navigate the nuances of the English language with ease and confidence. My background is diverse. I hold diplomas in both auctioneering and business management alongside my 120-hour TEFL certificate. This unique combination allows me to bridge the gap between academic English and everyday English business language. I believe that language learning should be as engaging as it is informative. My lessons focus on precision, making sure that your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation is perfect, confidence in helping you speak fluently, whether you're a total beginner or a professional preparing for a board meeting. I tailor every session to your goals and interests. Beyond the classroom, I live a vibrant life on the farm, surrounded by my dogs, cats, parrots, and chickens. When I'm not teaching, you'll find me fishing, reading, and crocheting. I bring the same warmth and patience to our classroom that I have in my everyday life. I'm excited to teach you English. We'll take this road on together. Book your trial lesson today and let's start you towards English excellence. Bye, everyone.